Hello, everyone. Today, I want to introduce a simple but extremely useful Unity tool, the Blur tool. If you're developing puzzle or decryption-style games, this effect can instantly upgrade your visual quality. The Blur tool allows you to apply high-quality blur effects directly to your 3D or 2D game objects. It's incredibly easy to use, just add the component, adjust the sliders, and you get the result immediately. You can freely control the blur intensity and brightness, making it suitable for focus transitions, object highlighting, UI interactions, and many other scenarios. In terms of compatibility, it supports all main render pipelines, including URP, HDRP, and the built-in pipeline. It also runs smoothly on Windows, Android, and iOS. So if you're looking for a lightweight, flexible blur solution for your Unity game, this tool is definitely worth checking out. I put the purchase link in the video description and also in the pinned comment. Feel free to take a look if you're interested. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Your support really helps me continue making more Unity content. Thanks for watching.